Council for Promotion of International Trade, and CIMSME, which is the Confederation of Indian Small, Micro, Medium Enterprises, bringing together 100 leaderships from global and national fraternity, breaking the glass ceiling through Global Women in Business Award, Global Women in Leadership Award, and Brand Africa Award. Today we have Madam Sunita with us, for nominated for Brand India Women in Business Award. Welcome you, Sunita ji.
Thank you, ma'am.
To this session.
Thanks a lot.
Now, could you please let us know about yourself and about your venture?
Yeah, about myself, I'm Sunita. Actually, I'm born and brought up in a middle class family. And to start my business, I didn't have any idea at all. It just came up, maybe because of the internal call or inner call, which I had to start. Ma'am, you're okay? Your video is okay? Yeah. Hello, ma'am. Yeah. So actually, I was working for a company after my degree. I worked for a couple of companies. One is Systems Aids, that is a manufacturing sector company. And then I moved to Arman Infotech Systems, that is a technology based. It is a software development company. There, I just started my work as a HR consultant or office administrator. Then during that time, I was learning this NIT. I joined NIT to do further studies because it's a technological company. Then I understood, even though if I study this, I was very good as a programmer. I'm very good in database and programming. But when I joined this company, I understood it is not my cup of tea, because here it was because the project is to come from the American projects is to take. And then the staff used to work during late night hours. Then I thought, okay, I cannot continue this field. Then I used to just concentrate only on the administration part, and I used to support in testing, in developing, and sometimes the director said, Sunita, write some data like stored procedures or give some triggers. I used to support those things and all. I got good knowledge in technology. When then this company I worked almost 13 years in this company, and all of a sudden I had to shut down because the recession of 2013, So it was a massive problem for our company, and we stopped getting the projects. And somehow the director tried to manage running the company for 2 more years. And then we took a call, let's stop the operation. And then I had to look for another job.
Okay.
So there I understood, okay. Then we used to work for the vendors actually. So there are so many ways in this Arman. I used to tie up with the vendor. And so I called one of the vendor consultant to look at a job for me. Then she told, in this case, then why can't you become a working partner? Why can't you join as a working partner? Okay, then I thought maybe that is the call, means let me try then. Then what so happened, then the promise which she has made, and we didn't write or do any MOU or something like that, no written document. Then I just worked with her for 5 months. Then she did not pay me, to be very frank. And she took me as a working partner. Then she told, okay, like a company, like you be like a employee or something. Then I did not like, because every time I value my my words. So the words which is thrown from the tongue, it is not taken care. Then I may not value them. It's my character actually. Then I thought, okay, why can't I start? Then similar, because she also used to work from home itself. Then I thought, okay, let me also try. So myself and two of my friends and one of my three ladies, including me as a co-founder, we just named as Sanama Solution, since we don't know anything in the business. And I told, okay, Sanama is nothing, that I am a believer of God. So I believe Sai Baba a lot. That's why Sai Baba has come, and that is Sanama. If you take this is Amma Narayana. Amma Narayana is whom I pray, that Mata Rani. I told, I don't know anything business. I'm just naming under you. So you give us the solution and do everything for me. So like that, we just named and then started this venture. This is about it. Then from then onwards, I surrender everything to God. So then onwards, I didn't face any challenges till date. So as far as marketing, to get company comes in, what is that, requirement comes in, people comes in, they just walk in. So it's happening like that. Till this day, I have not found any challenges, to be very frank.
Okay.
In terms of finance, in terms of companies, any new inquiries. So my thing is just to help people. So when I thought, okay, I'll never cheat anybody, whomever I train. And every month, like every once in 2 months or 3 months, God send me one lady or somebody to support them. So I give complete support, including training. I myself sit with her, spend time with her, and see that she's being empowered. This is my work. So I don't charge anything from them.
Okay. So you're doing a social work.
Yeah, somewhat. Then after joining MSME, AMSME, I understood I would have not registered my company into partnership. I would have made as a social non-profit organization. Now I understanding that anyhow. CMSME taught me so many things on MSME. I was not understanding this. Then when I started this, then I spoke to my auditor with whom I used to work with Arman. Then he told Sunita, go for partnership. Will let us see how the company is working. Then we will register. So 1 year we have got that period just to see whether it will go or no. So after that, it's okay now. Just completed 6 years,
So
the
now you
seventh year.
three of
And
you are working together, or you're working
no,
yourself?
no, the two of them they left in 2 years because they were not able to balance the family and the work. But they still support me
Okay.
for any meeting. Sometimes we join together. Everything supports are there, but to take it forward, no, they are not able to balance the house and the work because the commitment is there, no.
Now you're left with only nothing doing but just having a social work, giving training.
Yeah. No, it's not social, but I had in the timing, I just moved to the office and I had 8 employees. And then during this pandemic, recruitment was
Yes.
major
How did
hit.
you manage?
Yeah. So 6 months we had a big challenge, even though we had enough work and we couldn't onboard anybody because people could not come for attending the interview, final rounds of interview. Either they have accepted the resignation, companies never relieve them. Without relieving, they will never take them. No, admission is not going to happen. So these are 6 months challenges we face. Even though we had enough work, staffs are there. Even now, two full-time staffs are there. Then freelancers, around 6 members freelancers are there who are supporting.
So you're helping the other companies in the recruitment because you're an HR professional.
Yes.
Okay. So how's this? How your work? You're doing it yourself. You're a first generation. I must say, an entrepreneur in the service sector. So how do you feel being independent? As you
It's very
said,
good.
with others.
It's very good. It being independent here as a service industry, we cannot tell independent because we are committed. So independence is not coming at all. Our work is like that. Every time, just call the candidate, hunt for the candidate, then just coordinate with them for the interviews. So full time, it's something like almost 20 hours. When I used to support my first company was again to reference it has come Prime 3 years. It is US based. So totally, we should interact in the night times, scheduling and all. Yeah.
Okay. So
So daytime I used to work.
what
Yeah.
what was your greatest challenge, Sunita ji?
In terms of,
What was your greatest challenge while
yeah,
your own work?
work-wise. Yeah, work-wise, I did not find any challenges as such because any requirement is to come, I used to sit. But only the challenges when the team came, that was the greatest challenge because my vision was to run this company. But the team, when they join, you know very well, when the employees join, their vision is only to get money, salaries, right? They don't have any commitments towards work. So we are committed persons. So that was a challenge. Then how to change them? That was another one challenge which I used to face. Then I used to understand, no, we cannot train anybody like that. So a person whom we can train, even they should have the same mindset or the same passion towards the work. Only then they will succeed and we will succeed. That is the thing I learned from this in this work, starting the Sanama solution. So because many people have trained, then end of the day, their passion is somewhere else. Sometimes when I was working for a company called Swiggy, so we had to send candidates for non-voice, that is only for email chat. At that time, I used to meet only engineering students. So these engineering students, so first round of interview was in our office. Then I used to send the candidate to Swiggy. So at that time, I was like 20 candidates to come for first set of interviews. Then when I talk to them about the passion, they have just joined engineering because of the parents' pressure. It is not their dream at all.
Okay.
So then the work they wanted also, it is does not lie what company want, right?
Yes.
So their passion is something else. Then I tell, if you join also, where can you give the production? You cannot give the production at all, right?
So
So
how
like that, then I
CIMSME
used to
has helped?
talk to those candidates. Then I used to change. Come
How
again?
CIMSME has helped you in your growth?
CMSME, yeah, CMSME, to be very frank, it's a good platform where than to help me, I'm helping others. I can tell that. I joined CMSME because Geeta Valapil have introduced me to this platform. So at that time, Geeta told me, Sunita, you are doing so many good things for the social society and for the humanities. So this is another platform for you where you can serve many people. So are you interested to join CMSM? I told, okay, in terms of helping others, I'm always, I'm ready to join. That is the way I joined CMSME. And here also, I just interact with many people. So I help them in many ways. So for me, the thing is now I got collaborated with Ashwin for our staffing. That is one plus point.
Okay.
Then I have in CMSME, because I'm a healer also. So I have just transformed one CMSME member from the problem she was suffering.
Oh,
So she has transformed in a great extent. So that is another one plus point.
so
So
you're
two
a
things has
savior now.
happened, and so many. So I transformed her life because she, after her husband's death, she faced a lot of challenges. So she's coming up. So like that.
That's great. That's great. So it
So I
was
do two
nice.
service, ma'am. One is, yeah, like 50% of the time only for Sanama solution, 50% of the time only for healing. So many people approach for the healing to remove their karmic, to remove their past
Adek
impressions.
healing. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, past impressions and those ancestral part also. Ancestral, because our body is not ours. You know very well. We carry our impressions of
So
our
can
ancestors.
imagine you helping others. Why? Because you have put in all your team, towards the interviews, and then you're the last one to coming in. Oh, if I can be interviewed, that's really good. That really, I really like it. Promoting others first. Thank you
Yeah,
so much, Sunita ji. It was lovely having you here and knowing your experience. Maybe we can all share at one platform, the healing part and the
sure,
ethic
ma'am.
part which you are dealing in. So it was very nice. And what one word, if you would like to, one statement or one word, if you would like to give to the other entrepreneurs which are coming up?
I always say you should dream first. Actually, what you want to give to people and the society.
Good.
If and then see the market. See the
Yeah,
area is very vast. Yeah, the universe is very vast. You will get what you need. So you step where you want to keep your leg. Take it from there. Grab it. Everything is open for you.
that's
Only
nice.
the interest, you should have that interest. Yeah, if you're having the interest, you will get it. That is what the universe have taught me, and I teach others of the same thing. Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Thank you so much for being here with us today. And
Thanks a
Namaskar. And we
lot.
wish
Thanks a
you all
lot.
the best. Thank you. Best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Thank you.